With amAze GPS, we can navigate to any address, point of interest, or local search result or point on the map.
In a quarter mile, turn left.
Turn-by-turn voice-guided navigation will start with the bird's eye view street map mode. We can then change the map scale or the map type and view from the floating menu. For example, we can change to a hybrid map mode and navigate using a cool bird's eye view over satellite imagery. This detailed mapping layer is very helpful to get a great view of what's nearby.
In 500 feet, turn left. Turn left.
The clear turn-by-turn voice guidance from amAze GPS provides advanced warning before we need to make our next turn, so that we can safely focus our attention on the road while driving.
In 500 feet, turn left. Turn left.
To help keep our orientation, we also get clear signs from large arrows showing our heading and direction of travel.
You have arrived.
amAze GPS will warn you as you approach speed traps,
Speed trap ahead.
speed cameras, or red light cameras in your direction of travel. A warning will be announced about 15 seconds before you reach the trap or camera. Then a distinctive tone is played as you pass by. And you don't have to be in navigation mode to be warned. It is enough to simply start amAze GPS on your phone and have a valid GPS signal. With amAze GPS running, you can always be on alert. With amAze GPS, we can search for points of interest almost anywhere in the world. For example, we can search for the Colosseum in Rome. Even with typing errors, amAze GPS will still find the matching results for us. We can then select the desired item from the list to view the location on a map or even on a satellite image. From the menu of options, we can also choose to send this item to a friend via a text message. If our friend has amAze GPS installed, she can confirm the text message to start up amAze GPS and navigate to the item's location with one click of a button. Any such location received via text message is automatically saved under the Favorites history list for future use. With amAze GPS, we can search for an address in many countries around the world. For example, let's search for the center of Denver, Colorado in the US. Let's just type in the country and city name and click Search. Then by clicking on the search result, a menu of options is opened. If we select Map, we immediately get a detailed street map view of that specific address. We can then move the map with the joystick or with the touch screen. Now we can click on the joystick to bring the options menu up, and from the upper bar select Map Type, and from the options on the bottom bar select Hybrid Map. This displays a detailed satellite image of that city. Now let's change the map scale by selecting the zoom tool and the desired zoom level. As we pan the map, new map segments come from the amAze GPS server, and we can move across the map to our desired spot outside the city. In this off-road rural area, we may wish to change the map type to a topographic map to view details of the surrounding land contours. amAze GPS currently contains detailed navigable street maps for most of the world, detailed satellite imagery for about 200 of the largest cities worldwide, and topographic map coverage for the entire U.S. amAze GPS is connected to several leading local search directories in the U.S. and Europe. For example, if we are in Miami, Florida, and are looking for an Indian restaurant, we can easily search the yellowpages.com database via amAze GPS. Our search request is sent to the yellowpages.com database, and all the matching results are sent back to us instantly. When we click on the desired item, a menu of options is opened, and we can choose if we want to navigate there, get more information, simply map it, or even send it to a friend via text message. We can even make a phone call to that restaurant directly from amAze GPS with just a click of a button. With amAze GPS, you can get a 5-day weather forecast everywhere in the world. For example, let's check on the weather forecast for London, England. It's easy to customize amAze GPS to display either Celsius or Fahrenheit as you desire. You can set it under Tools. Here you go. And don't forget your umbrella.